But after we get done baling here, I'm going to take it back and have them fix it. I had the first time we were baling with it, we had a hell of a go around the first time. Our PTO broke on this, and then we were baler. The actuator that engages the net ramp broke, and then I was raking with the 300, and I got that jammed in between gears. And oh yeah, our first cutting was about as much of a flop as it could be. But hopefully now we got everything fixed and we'll be good for the rest of the year. So getting ready to about to make a bale. So yeah, I'm hoping got a good fresh PTO in here, and all the air stuff is on. It should be working, but it's not. So like I say, we're gonna take that back and get it fixed. Yeah, buying up bale, and there it is. Oh yeah, there's not much grass here this year. Normally, between the two passes we have here, we get maybe 5 bales, and this is number 2 so far, and I'm almost done. So not looking very promising, but it's been super dry this year. Like drier than normal. We're like at half of our annual rainfall is what we normally have for a whole year. We're that much short already. We're half short of our annual rainfall, so we're pretty darn dry. I'm thankful for getting whatever we get, because there's not a lot here. There's a baby, and over there's a baby. There's not a lot of fall covers left, but we're starting to get some. Well, I am glad I got this tractor back. Man, this handles this baler nice. Well, we didn't get much. We got 5 bales total from this 10 acres here by our place. 8 to 10 acres. I'm not sure how much. But normally we get about 5 and 5. We get about 10, and so we got about half as much as what we normally would. So, I guess it's better than a kick in the teeth, but still, wish it could have been better. So, I almost got the other tractor and rake. I'm gonna dump this bale out that I got. I'm gonna go pick her up. I gotta work yet tomorrow, so tomorrow night I plan on going until we got about 20 acres or so over there, and then all the alfalfa yet to bale. So tomorrow night when I get off, I plan on going until all of it's done. So that's my plan. But hopefully we have no problems. We'll find out though. Well, there's one bale, and then over here, we get up here. There's another bale up there, and then there's a bale back behind. So, and then I'm gonna go pick up Mama. She's taking the tractor and rake over, and then when I get off work tomorrow, I'm gonna rake all this over here, and I'll bring that back and get the tractor and baler, and I'll go over there, and she's gonna rake the alfalfa here. Part of it, I'll probably wind up finishing it when I get back, but yeah, it's successful so far. So cross fingers for luck or whatever, throw a horseshoe at your head or something, I don't know. So hopefully everything keeps going the way it has been though. Alright, so cleared out the the counter. We're going to get going here. You know, see just how many bales are over here. Last year, first time we cut it, there was like 35-ish. So there ain't gonna be that many this year, I can already tell you that. The windrows aren't near as big. Last year we were pushing windrows with the bottom of the tractor there so big. So I know this year ain't gonna be that much, but we'll see how much there is. So yeah, as I suspected, we're not having the best turnout, but this is our fourth bale I'm dumping right now. It's pretty thin. That and well, I gotta put some pickup teeth in the baler. That's not, I mean, if you did the whole damn field, it wouldn't be even amount to half a bale. So I know I need to put them in, but it's pretty thin. It's just darn dry this year that it's hard to make any headway. So yeah, well, we finished that up. There was 17 bales, about half of what there was last year. So it is what it is. I mean, it's just really dry out. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. So it's still pretty good quality hay. It's just half as much. So well, we're gonna go see what Mama's doing down there, breaking alfalfa. So hey y'all, so it's about 12:30 here at night. Hurried up and tried to get the raking and stuff done, but by the time I got done, it had gotten too tough. So I'm gonna try to get up early and get going baling right away. So hopefully that way we catch it before it gets too dry. It's supposed to be 95 and windy tomorrow, so and a chance of thunderstorms. Chance of scattered thunderstorms. So hopefully we'll get it right away in the morning. So hang on. So baling here this morning. It's a little rough. Mind the wobbles. Having difficulty getting things going good this morning, man. It's locked up a couple times. Of course, when I started, it was a little tough getting the bottoms, but the hillsides were getting dry. And if I didn't get going, it was going to all be too dry. So we're doing full sends here, bud. We're trying to get her done, but there ain't. Man, last year our second cutting alfalfa did 90 bales. This year I'm over half done, and oh my god, 22 so far. So yeah, we're not the best shape this year, but make the best of it. So. You're silly. He's a boy, right? You can't die. I don't think he's dying. I think you don't have no worries with that. Here you go. Do we need to go put it in the trash?
mine.
Can you carry him?
What?
Can you...
Stop videoing.
Bye-bye, Kathy.
I don't think he wants to go on there.
Stop. I gotta get on this. Over there.
Oh, hey. Oh, yummy.
He's not peeing.
He pooped on your arm.
You wanna lick it?
No! He was peeing.
That was
Can
fun.
we come with you?
No.
Hey, Mom. What's wrong?
I got pooped on
Oh,
and peed on.
that looks like you did that.
I did not pee.
I don't know.
So maybe that calf was sprightly and I'm retarded.
That's,
If it wasn't, it is now.
yeah, that's for sure.
Yeah. Hey, but I picked up that calf by myself. Aren't you proud?
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, so. Bye.